posting is for a manufacturing engineer in the Nashville, Tennessee area. Keep in mind, draw a 60-mile radius around Nashville. If you fit in that bucket, then go ahead and fire your resume off to us. You can click the link above, and that'll take you directly to this job posting so you can apply. Keep in mind that these also expire in 30 days. You might stumble upon this video or even this job posting months or years later. Feel free to go ahead and send your resume over. We deal with these kind of positions all the time, all across the country, and a lot of the jobs we have aren't even posted on our website, so never hurts to go ahead and get your resume submitted over to us. They're looking for someone that's got 7+ years of experience. If you're a little bit lighter on experience, go ahead and fire that over. Not everyone's the same in terms of experience. Someone that's got 5 years can be as good as someone with 10. Someone with 10 might not be as good as someone with 7. They're looking for someone with 7 or more. But again, go ahead, get your resume over. You never know how many different job openings we have. So beyond that, job description's pretty basic. Machining process. If you're a manufacturing engineer, we already know you have that. Experience with CNC programming. These are all things that we know. If you've got 5+ years of experience in manufacturing engineering, you have this stuff. The only other real key is automotive. If you don't have the automotive experience, but you've dealt with a similar industry or something that's worked with a lot of metals, for example, again, go ahead and fire your resume off. A lot of times we can shop a candidate over to a client and say, hey, amazing education, background, experience. They don't have automotive, they're in defense, but you should take a look at this candidate. Keep in mind when you're applying for jobs in general, if you're trying to go through and there's 10 requirements and you're trying to check all 10 boxes, it's nearly impossible. Sometimes you got to say, I have 6 or 7 of the 10. I got to send my resume over and see what happens. So, and likewise, whether you got the Siemens experience or the FANUC controls, if you got controls outside of that, but you got everything else, go ahead and send your resume over. If your background looks really good, we can market you to the client and see what they come back with. So you can apply right here, and make sure you hit subscribe to this YouTube channel and check our website regularly. This is where we're going to be posting all of our job openings from here on out, and you don't want to miss out. Why not be the first one to see? But until then, we'll catch you on the next one.